Okay, an Aspire One. ZG5. To take this apart, you have to take out that screw, that screw, that screw there, and that screw there. And then you come around to this side on the keyboard, and you need to push in that. There's that clip, and that clip. They're not really clips, they're pushing things. So when the keyboard is in, you push that in and start lifting up on the keyboard. And then you come over and you push in this one and keep lifting. And then you come over and push that one and the keyboard will come out. And then you need to take out the screws in here, which is this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. I mean, whatever screws you see in there. You have to disconnect this, disconnect that, and then you split this open. Make sure you take out the bottom screws that are under these hinges. Split this open. This will come right off. And then once you have this open, you want to take off this board, which means you just do undo the screw, undo this screw, undo this screw. And then you undo this screw, pull this out, put that screw back in there so you don't lose it. And then this board, you take out, the only thing holding in this board is this screw. And then you could just grab the hard drive, pull the board up this way. All right, sorry. Disconnect this. You pull the edge, disconnect that, and then, all right, let me pull this out. So I'm gonna show. It's under there. This will be taped down. This will be taped down. Slowly lift it up and remove the tape. All right, when you lift this board up, you pull from this edge, and this is going to be caught underneath that piece of metal. So you slowly pull it forward a little. When you put it back together, you put that flange under that piece of metal and then work it into here, and it'll slide right in. And then you could reconnect this, screw it back in, and then you put this back in, and you kind of lift it up and force the switch. You gotta get it so this white thing slides into here. I think if you just push this down, it'll get in there just right, and then you put in that screw and everything will be back together. Pretty simple, like all modern things like this. And here's the board I took out of here. Note, this replacement door didn't have that heat shield, so I pulled that off. This is a brand new board that I put in there. Pulled it off of here and put it there. This board appeared to have some water damage or something over here. I cleaned it most off. You can't see it. There's still some on the battery because I didn't bother cleaning the battery. There was water damage in this area, and somewhere over in that area, and there was water damage. Or under, that's right, it was under this. Under here, there was some water damage to this area here. And since this is the connector that comes from the top that pushes the button, this board was charging the battery fine, but when you push the on button, it would not turn on. I believe it had something to do with the water damage that was over in this area. I don't know, one of those components is probably shot. I don't know how to, probably capacitor or something. But I'm not good with micro soldering, so this brand new board was only 20 bucks, so simple. Now I'm gonna waste my time. And done.
On your beard. And so that is something we're going to need to look into next time. Thank you very much for watching. Marty is away at the moment. Of course, he's doing his work on it's the comeback of one of his favorite cars, and it's probably not much of a